Now we'll go for the next type. Solve by using the formula. These three sums I have taken. Out of that, the first we are going to solve. Now 6x. This x is objectionable because it is upon. So we will multiply each term by x. Therefore, 6x square minus 2 upon x into x is 2 is equal to 1x. Not needed to write 1. See, whenever the denominators are there, then we multiply each term by the denominator. So multiply this by x, 6x square, multiply this by x, x get cancelled, minus 2 is equal to 1 into x, x. Bring this here. Therefore, 6x square, this x is plus, here it will become minus x, minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. It is of the form. It is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a equal to 6, b equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 2. Now we will find the discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. That is equal to b square means minus 1 square minus 4 into a is 6 into c is minus 2. Minus 1 square will be plus 1. This minus into this minus, that will become plus. So 6 4 are 24, 24 to the 48. Therefore, delta is equal to 49. Now the question reads, solve by using formula. What is that formula? By formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac and upon 2a. This is the formula. Therefore, x equal to minus b. What is b? Minus 1. Minus 1 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac is nothing but delta. And what is the value? 49. So under root 49 upon 2 into a. A is how much? 6. 6. That is equal to, this is 1 plus or minus root 49 is 7 upon a. A value I have to put. A is 6. 6. That is equal to, this minus minus will become plus 1 plus or minus that 7 upon 6 to the 12, that is remaining. So x is equal to 1 plus 7 upon 12, or x is equal to 1 minus 7 upon 6. Therefore, x is equal to 8 upon 12, or x is equal to, this is plus 1, this is minus 7, signs are opposite, so subtraction, and some bigger number sign, minus 6 upon 12. Therefore, I can reduce it. 4 to the 8, 4 3 the 12, 6 1 the 6, 6 to the 12. Therefore, x is equal to 2 upon 3, or x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Answer you will write, answer x is equal to this, or x is equal to minus half. You have to write it in the last step. Answer x is equal to 2 upon 3, or x is equal to minus half. Other way also you can write the answer, solution set into the bracket. Now this question, you may note down it afterwards. Now I will go for the second sum. Second sum is y square plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2. In this sum, if you want to eliminate these 3, you can eliminate, or you can keep as it is. But elimination would be better. Therefore, I will try to eliminate these 3. Now it is upon, I will multiply each term by 3. You have to give the reason also. Therefore, multiplying this by this 3y square, plus multiplying this by 3, 1 upon 3 into 3, 3 get cancelled, y is equal to 3 to the 6. Now shift it here. Therefore, 3y square plus y, bring this 6, it will be minus 6 equal to 0. Comparing with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we have a equal to 3, b equal to 1, c equal to minus 6. It's not compulsory that you should write only ax square plus bx plus c. You can say ay square plus by plus c also according to the sum. If you write this, this is also correct. Now, discriminant delta. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. That is equal to b square 1 square minus 4 into a is 3 into c is minus 6. 1 square is 1. This minus into this minus, it will become plus. 4 into 3, 12. 12 6 are 72. So delta is equal to 73. Now by formula, what is the answer? By formula. You can write by formula method, or you can write by formula. Now this is a variable y, so I will write the solutions of y. So y is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon to A. That is equal to minus. B is how much? 1. So minus 1. Plus or minus. B square minus 4AC. What is the value? Root 73. Upon 2 into A is how much? A is 3. That is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 73 upon 6. So these are the two values. Answer y equal to minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6 or y is equal to minus 1 minus root 73 upon 6. You can take this minus common also, or you can have this be also, or otherwise you can write this answer root 73 minus 1 upon 6 minus root 73 minus 1 upon 6. That way also you can write. So the second sum is over. Now we'll go for the third sum. In third sum, only the decimals are given. That doesn't matter much. We will convert into the proper fractions. Instead of decimals, we will convert them into the fractions. So third sum, x square minus 0.3x minus 0.1 is equal to 0. I will write therefore x square minus 3 upon 10x minus 1 upon 10 is equal to 0. 0.3 means 3 upon 10. Now what is the denominator? 10. Multiply throughout by 10. Therefore, multiplying this by 10, that will become 10x square minus multiplying this by 10, 10 will get cancelled and minus 3x. Multiplying this by 10, 10 will get cancelled and will remain minus 1 equal to 0. Now, it is the quadratic equation of the form comparing with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We have a equal to 10, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to minus 1. Now delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. That is equal to b square is minus 3 bracket square minus 4 into a is a 10 into c is minus 1. That is equal to minus 3 square means minus 3 into minus 3. Minus into minus will be plus and 3 3 are 9. So it will be positive 9. This minus into minus, it will become plus. 4 to the 40, 1 the 40. So it will be 40. And that has come 49. This is delta equal to. Now by formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore, x is equal to minus b. The value of b is minus plus or minus b square minus 4ac. How much it is? 49 upon 2 into a is how much? 10. That is equal to minus into minus, this will become plus. So x is equal to, this will be plus 3 plus or minus, this will be 7 upon 10 to the 20. Now these are the two equations, we will separate them. Therefore x is equal to 3 plus 7 upon 20, or x is equal to 3 minus 7 upon 20. Therefore x is equal to 10 upon 20, or x is equal to minus 4 upon 20. This get cancelled, 0 0. 4 1 da, 4 5 da. Therefore x is equal to 1 upon 2, or x is equal to minus 1 upon 5, and this is the solution. So this way we have solved the three sums. That means this topic you can develop on this. Most different sums we have taken. This will definitely give you the interest in the topic and the confidence. By this confidence you can solve the remaining sums from the exercises.